Hello, I am Ioana Gornia. I go to ICHB and I'm a 5th grader. Today I'm going to show you how to make pancakes. For that, you will need 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 glass of milk, 1.5 glasses of flour, 1 pack of vanilla and baking powder.